Hello everybody, how are you doing? I'm Brittany Balyn, if you didn't know. Today we are going to be unboxing the brand new FabFitFun Winter 2018 box. So I've been seeing FabFitFun all over Instagram, it's just all over my feed. So I thought this was perfect timing to try out their winter box. I feel like winter is probably like the best time to kind of treat yourself. And today's video is sponsored by FabFitFun, which is why I'm able to try it out early for you guys and let you know what's inside my box. You can't customize them, but some things are in like every single box, and then some items you can be like, oh, I want that, but not that. The box retails for $49.99, so it is a bit more expensive, but you do get over $200 worth of products. And if you are wanting to try this box out for yourself, I do have a $10 coupon. It's not like an affiliate, but that way you only pay $39.99 for over $200 value. And the code is just BB10, really easy. All right, let's jump into the unboxing. The first item I got is the Bite lipstick, Amuse Bouche lipstick in meringue. It is actually what I'm wearing on my lips right now. I was surprised that they did like a nude in a winter box. I expected a red, but I actually really like this color. This is kind of like my go-to My Lips, but better. But so far, I'm really impressed with this lipstick. From Bite, really all I've tried is the Bite Agave Lip Mask, which I love. So it's nice to try out a new product from them. Next, we have from the brand Blaq, but it's a cute, so it's confusing me. It is an activated charcoal eye mask to depuff and detox the skin. I've tried these twice now, and it's really relaxing to do. I don't know if I've seen like super crazy results, but puffiness under my eyes isn't like a huge issue for me, more so like darkness. But it has been fun to do these. There's 5 masks, so I have 3 left. I don't know about the results 100% yet. I'll let you know. Next, this is a super new brand for me. This is the brand Thrive, and this is called Stella, their Champagne Shimmer Highlighting Stick. I've only used it on my eyes, and I was really surprised to really like this. I don't really tend to love like highlighting sticks. They're normally like very kind of like matte and chalky and thick, but this was very like sheer and shimmery for like an everyday just throw on under your brows. I really like this shimmer. If you guys have any other recommendations from the brand Thrive, let me know, because I'm kind of into like the whole like no makeup look, but like a step above Glossier. That's like a little bit too minimal for me right now, like an in-between. This next item is super new. I haven't even opened it yet, tried it out. So this will be like first impressions. This is the brand Elevate, and it's 2 essential oils, eucalyptus and sweet orange. All right, let's open this up and see what these smell like. Oh! Let's do sweet orange first. Sweet orange is the energizing one of the bunch. Oh my God. Why do I keep doing this with perfumes? It comes out so fast. I wasn't expecting that. All right, it smells exactly like oranges. You know when you make an old-fashioned, use the orange peel, like essence around the rim of the glass? If you're young, you probably don't know, but it smells just like that. Going a little bit higher up on my arm because I just spilled orange all over myself. Let's try eucalyptus. This is the revitalizing scent. Wow. Really strong. These are really big bottles because I only put like 4 drops on, which is probably a lot, but you only need like 1 drop. Next we have this Jade roller. I was super excited to get this because I keep seeing them on Instagram, but I'm just kind of like a skeptic to go out and buy it myself, but I've been so intrigued. Like I'm like, does it actually do anything? Or is it like a placebo effect? So I did give this a try, and when I was doing it, I was just like, this is just gonna be like a placebo thing. Like what could rolling Jade on your skin actually do? But 100%, like 2 hours after I did it, I was just sitting on the couch and I was touching my face, and it felt like tighter and plumper after I did it. And I was like, why does my face feel good right now? I had that thought and then had to like make the connection that I was like, oh, 2 hours ago, I just used this. Next up, we have the AHAVA, I think that's how you say it, hydration cream mask. I've used this twice now, and just like a pro tip in general, for some reason, whenever I use a hydration mask, and I use them quite often because I have dry skin, any hydration mask, when I use it, before applying makeup, I kind of get like dead skin to come off, so I always use these at night before I go to bed. Definitely use this at night and not directly before a makeup routine. Next, I am super excited about this just because like I love things like really like fuzzy and soft, hence this sweater. It is the Mark and Graham, I don't know actually if this is even a blanket or if it's a scarf. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Is it a blanket or is it like a Lenny Kravitz scarf? Honestly, I would wear this as a scarf. I'm thinking this is probably a blanket, but I feel like you could get away with it as a scarf, just like be really warm. Ooh, and then you could do like a shawl moment. Next up, we have a treatment mask. It is the Moroccan Gold Series Argan Oil Mask. Actually, is this the one that I had? Okay, this is not the one that I used to have. The one that I had a green lid, unless they changed their packaging, but I loved that one. I love argan oil for the hair. It smells just like the other mask I had. Well, if this is not the one I had before, I will try it out. I will let you guys know. I'm gonna be vlogging next week. I'm changing up my hair and I'm kind of gonna do like, you'll see. But I'll let you guys know. And the very last thing that's inside my box is, at first I thought it was an iPad case, but it is so much better. It is by the brand Halston. And it is a travel case for all of your jewelry. So you have rings, you have earrings, you can do necklaces, maybe bracelets here, maybe like cables in here. Then you just step up and you're good to go. And guys, that was everything that was in my FabFitFun box for winter 2018. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like. And if you have any requests for anything you would like to see in the future, make sure to leave it in the comments down below. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching and I'll see you very soon. Bye!